Sige na, so greetings, Apo. We are gathered here to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and ask God to bless them so they will be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find in their love a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Sige, Apo, is there anybody here who knows of any impediment to the marriage about to be contracted between these couples? At ako ba ang ato yung wedding Apo? Nauwan at asulti ng dadating manuwan. Christian Kipay. Sige. Kathy? Okay. Kathy, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Krista, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service
Yes, ma'am.
to your wife-to-be? Okay. Kayong dalawa, you take upon yourselves the duties of marriage of your own free will and when voluntary need, we do. Okay? So, this time, we will have Kathy to be your wife, to live together in marriage. We will love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health. Forsaking of others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live.
Yes, ma'am.
Kathy, will you have this time to be your husband, to live together in marriage? We will love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health. Forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Pati ko na rin sing. Follow after me, mga Christian. Rings atin gawin forever in marriage. Okay? So, follow after me. I give you
I give you
this ring
this ring
as a sign
as a sign
of my vow,
of my vow,
and with all that I am,
with all that I have,
all that I have,
all that I have,
I honor you.
I honor you.
Say so, one. Okay, seven lang. Kathy, follow after me. I give you
I give you
this ring
this ring
as a sign
as a sign
of my vow,
of my vow,
and with all that I am,
and with all that I have,
all that I have,
that I have,
I honor you.
I honor you.
Sige, so one. Left hand, wait. Sige, pagkataman, sumamang kayo po yung mother, namin tayo i-wish ng data. And kaya iba ka.
Ilang mo yung magkatanya yung ako, kung sinyaw, di ko lang sinyaw. Yung kali, hindi pa kung malasan kayo, yung sa balik at kuminyan.
Diba? Sumama kayo si Pastor.
Makabayar kayo pa namin kung ngayon tayo ng fiscal pamilya. Alam naman po tayo na. Pati mo ito pa kayo mo. Kasi pinag-tapit mo kami namin. Pinag-tapit tayo na yung papa. Kaya pinag-tapit lang. Pagkayo po mga o yung nag-good, hindi naman tayo dito. Wala sa kami na kahit pagkaawan o kami sinulan. Kasi yun na ipapala yung tao. Kapal ko na ipakita yung tao na masaya at dapat niya masaya at may mga quality siya pinatang masaya at masaya may pinagkakaroon sa inyo.
Thank you. O, dali kay Wishmet, mga Wishmet, kay payo naging friends and family, hindi nung di nangarat nila ka. Ano itong wish natin sa unahan? Ano na? Ayun, sige.
Ang wish ko lang ay maging masaya kayo, maligaya sa araw-araw na pagkasama.
Tristan at ate, ang wish ko lang para sa inyo, more blessing, lalo't magsasama na kayo ulit, magsasama na kayo, ayusin yung buhay ninyo, gaya ng sabi ng mga parents ninyo, na yung pagiging dalagat binata, iba na ngayon. Masaya ako para sa inyo.
Itinawis ko lang kanya yung ate. Ang pinipanagastawan mo kasama. Kung may wala tama kaya. Kung may isa, kada kami nga may dato ang magulang yung mas tama. Dati problema yung kung may
I-wish ko lang magkanayo problema yung bawat may sa kanayo ayusin mo tanong ikin ko nagkukusinsina.
Wish from the friends?
Wish ko po, sana maganda yung pagsasama niyo ngayon ay mag-asawa na kayo. Kahit malayo kayo sa isa't isa, sana wag kayo away lang pero walang mag-iwalay. Tiba at pag-uunawa ang kailangan sa mag-asawa.
Thank you. So, kasama kami Tristan. Kasama na nagawa. Gamti mo ni Kati. Kati, alam mo yung vows mo to your husband.
Yaman sa niya ako kada ako nagkasumang patigat ko in-accept na tibong ko. At ko lang ang routine niya. Kung makakapot nagtutong pa lang na sila maayos sa amin. Sanay ka ba na dinadayo ka? Alas ang sila. I love you.
Tristan, may vows mo to your wife.
Parehas tama lang eh. Ang aming iba ay nakasin, hindi at nagtibong-bong. So, mahal naman para doon naman kayo. Ang subli na dito. Ay kababado na. Love you.
Thank you. So, ikaw may both hands? So, by the virtues of the powers vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, calling all those present here as their witness, I, Benjamin Loren Quaresma III, Municipal Mayor Bambang Nueva Vizcaya, confirm the bond of marriage which have been contracted into and now pronounce you as lawfully wedded husband and wife. Picture. Picture the kiss? Sige, Agleti na. Ready? Dito kayo sa gitna naman. Para kita yung kiss. Okay? Sige, ang bilang ako. You may now kiss the bride.
Ulit, eh.
Okay, ilan seconds ako? Ilan? Sige. 3 seconds. Okay? Hindi na kiss na kayo lagi. Okay?
1, 2, 3. Perfect.
Sige, so please. kayo with the parents.
Hindi ko ma. Parents.
Okay, Ninong Nina. Yung kakasana.